This conference will now be recorded.
Hello guys, welcome back. So here in this session, once again we are going to discuss, I'm going to explain this account receivable itself, but this time testing part. So what we have done, like we have done with the configurations, whatever the basic settings are required is already done. And then apart from this, we have set up the customer master. Also, as I told you, now generally if you have to post any transaction, say for example, the EGS transactions, I'll talk like any account receivable related transactions. So here, like what is happening, your customer account is going to be, if you made any kind of sales to the customer, then your customer account is going to be debited with certain amount. And then your sales revenue account is going to be credited with the same amount, right? So now here, this customer account is a master data. This customer account could be any customer, XYZ Limited, ABC Limited, or any name can be there of the customer, right? The customer is nothing but an organization. Now, so here for that we have to create a customer master, and then here uh, sales revenue is a GL account, so you have to create a GL master, right? So customer master is already set up, and before setting up a customer master, some small basic settings are required. Like major important thing is like you have to create the account group and number range. In the same way, even for account payable also we have discussed already. Like for vendor, if you have to set up the vendor account, you need to create account group and number range. And even for GL master also same thing is there, guys. Account group and number range is there, right? And I already explained what is the use of account group, guys. So account group controls the fields which appears during creation of master data, or is during master data set creations, whether it is customer, GL, vendor, whatever it is, whatever the fields are appearing, that is going to be controlled by account group itself. Practically I have shown in GL master. For customer master, vendor master, if you want to check in the same way, you can check. It's a kind of assignment for you guys, right? Now, so what we have to do, we have to set up a GL master. GL account also you have to set up. So you just do one thing, go to FS00, and here in revenue account, I think it is not created. So click on create button and create a GL account 3000. So what is your account group here? So of course revenue account group, and give a description, sales revenue account, and then here click on control data tab and apply a check mark. So normal GL we are going to set up, guys, and here give Z001 and save it. So now what we have done, now we have created sales revenue account also, and it's time to post a transactions. So here, how to post a customer related transaction, guys? Use transaction code FB70 is the transaction code by which we are going to post customer invoices. Look at here. So what is your customer number, guys? You have to select the customer number first. So you just do one thing, give you the company code should be TM00 and press enter. So this is our customer number 232. Look at here, and company code also we need to change. There might be a chances that you guys are going to create might be more company code. In that case, like you have to switch from one company code to other company code. So here TM10 is showing. In that case, click on here company code and switch to. So I'm using TM00. So I'm going to switch to this company code, and here you need to give your customer, and then again you have to give account here, and any amount can be given, guys, and give your GL account, that is 3000 we have created in the form of sales revenue. So give your amount also, and here the company code TM00, the number range 18 is missing for 2020. What does it mean, guys? This is number range related issues. It means like look at here, it is getting posted against which document type, guys? It is getting posted against DR document type, right? So you just do one thing, create a new session here, and DR document type means you have to check which number range is assigned in DR document type. Go to OBA7 and here DR document type here. So look at here, document number range 18 is assigned, and if you click on the number range informations and if you give your company code TM00, so for your company code, which number range we have created? So it is 0, 1, 17, 19. These are the number range which we have created. So either you need to create 18 number range also, number range with the code 18, or else whatever these number range has been created, if you want to assign any of them, then you have to assign against DR document type. But I'll tell you guys, this is online server, and most likely most of you is using online server itself. And if you're not using online server, I recommend you to use online server, because in this server itself you'll be getting more and more number of error, and this is how you guys are going to be perfect. So now here, click on insert line item and create a number range. Why? Because if you're going to make it 0 on there, now whoever the other people are also doing practice, so somebody has created 18, that guy is going to receive, that guy is going to face issue, and once again he'll come back and he or she is going to assign 18 number range, right? So every time you will be getting error, even that fellow is also going to get the error, right? Likewise, so better to create this 18 number range and here assign it. Now I'm going to give here 4000 to 4999. So whenever, now what will happen, whenever we are going to post the customer invoices, then what will happen, guys? System is going to, now, so system is going to, what to say, the document is going to be generated from this range, right? Apart from this, now, so invoice is going to be posted. I'm going to post the invoice. Even I'll show you credit memo also, customer credit memo. So if you're going to post a customer credit memo, then better to check here right now itself. Look at here, this document type DG is going to be used for customer credit memo. If you double click here, here also different number range is there. So again, either you have to open 16 or else you have to assign. So I'm going to use 18 itself for customer credit memo, customer invoices, and customer payment, all three. So assign 18 and save it, and then come back. And then again, for customer payment, DZ document type is going to be selected. Double click on DZ document type, and instead of 14 here also I'm going to assign 18 itself. Okay, or else if you have to set up different number range, then 14, 15, 16 also you can set up, or else I have set up 18, that is I have assigned against these three document type. So that what will happen, why I have assigned here right now, so that the next time if you're going to post the transactions, there won't be any error. Error will not appear, because this error is coming from, this is number range errors, right? Now here, so you have to do one thing here. If you come back and press enter, now everything is fine. Press enter. Yes, everything is fine, guys. Nothing, no problem. Control S, save it, and let's see what is happening. So look at here, the first document number got generated, right? First document number. Why first document number? Because here, if you talk about the number range 18, system has triggered number range 18, and against 18, what we have given, guys? Against number range code 18, we have given 4000 to 4999, and here NR status was 0 earlier. In the sense, just few seconds back, once I've set up this number range, at that point of time NR status was 0. Right now, since I have posted, so first transaction got posted, so 0 means what? System is going to trigger the number, which is the, which one is the smallest number, guys? 4000. Next time onwards, 1, 4000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that transaction is getting, transaction will be posted, and system is going to generate the document number sequence wise. This is what the logic behind generation of this document numbers and all. This is already explained in GL setting, guys. Hope you guys are able to remember. Now, so let's suppose I have posted an invoice worth of 1000 rupees. Now what will happen? Invoice worth of 1000. Then let's suppose customer credit memo. Customer credit memo, I'm going to, customer credit memo means what, guys? Sales returned. Keep in your mind, vendor credit memo means purchase returned, right? So here let's suppose 400 worth of goods or items or whatever the things are there is going to be returned by your customer. So in that case, I'll just post. Okay, so now here also you're having options. You can select credit memo, okay, or else directly you can go to FB75 transaction code. This is your customer, and 400 worth of let's suppose, and again sales revenue GL account itself is going to be, earlier sales revenue was credited. If you have a look here, I'll show you guys. If you check the sales revenue GL, so right now what is happening, sales revenue GL is having a credit balance. Okay, credit balance, or else better to check the customer balance itself. Customer balance FBL5N is the transaction code to check the customer balance here. Give your customer 100 and 232, or else even if you don't give the customer number, also system is going to select this customer number, because till now we have set up only one customer, right? So now here execute. So look at here, we have posted an invoice worth of 1,000, and this is open item. It means this is our receivable. We have posted the invoice, but the payment we have not received yet. Still we have to receive the payment. Now what is happening, guys, out of 1,000, so we have posted invoice worth of 1,000 rupees, or whatever your currency is there, in your currency you have posted the amount. Now what will happen, guys, it means this is our receivables, but customer is going to return a goods worth of certain amount, so that is also supposed to be recorded here itself, right? So now that is called sales return, in the sense like we are going to post the credit memo. So here what will happen, like worth of 400, press enter. Now here what is happening, guys, so worth of 400. In this case what will happen, if you click on simulate, okay, simulate means you are going to check the accounting entry, right? So here if you click on simulate, here look at here, sales revenue is going to be debited, 400 debit balance. Right now here what is there, guys, wait, we are talking about the customers. The customer is having debit balance, and right now sales revenue, sorry, this is a credit memo worth of 400, so this is going to be, it is credit balance here. So 400 minus is going to be, so 400, 1,000 plus and 400 minus, so how much it is, 600. So this is what we can expect payment from customer, right? You have to adjust your books of account, right? So this is why we are going to post this credit memo. Credit memo is, don't be confused with the name, guys. If you are having any confusion, I told you sales return, you keep in your mind sales return itself. I have sold something, now customer is going to return the goods worth of certain amount, so even in your books of account also you have to adjust this. Sales made of 1,000, and later on customer has returned a goods worth of 500, so how much you are expecting payment from customer, 500 only, right? So you have to adjust here, in the sense that whatever return is there, that is supposed to be posted, that is recorded in your books of account, then only you can say that yes, now we can receive only 500. So now here this is what the concept, right? Look at your document number 4001 got posted, right? So because earlier the next previous document which was posted, that was 4,000, right? So what is the next document number, 4001? And here if you click on refresh, okay, guys, generally what is happening after decimal, like 10 is there, here somebody has made some changes. In the sense like after, like if you're talking about the amounts and all, then how much zero supposed to be there, that is also, it is supposed to be, normally it is like, let's suppose 1,000.00, it should be in this format. This is the universally accepted, right? Like let's suppose 400.00, this is what accepted everywhere. Some of the people are making some experiment, and they will change the decimal places, like after amount, like what should be the decimal digits, like 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, and all can be. So that also can be given, guys. But anyway, I'll just, in next session I'll try to let you know where you can make this changes into SAP and all. Right now let me complete this. So I said, okay, so now here, that is like in SAP NetWeaver we are having these settings. I'll keep it in the part of account receivable itself. Generally it is not the part of account receivable or payable, like whatever settings we are going to do, that will be applicable on payable receivables everywhere, right? I'll keep here itself. So now here I was talking about what? Invoice is posted worth of 1000 and credit memo we have posted worth of 400. So if you have a look here, now the balance got adjusted and 600 we are supposed to receive, right? So customer payment. F+28 is the transaction code for customer payment here. And give your accounts. Okay, so bank account, and then you have to give the amount as well, right? So what should be the amount, guys? Amount should be 600 rupees or 600, whatever your currency is there, in that currency you are going to receive. And here 100,232 is the customer number you have to give, and press enter. So look at here now, 1000 invoice and 400 credit memo. So 1000 minus 400, 600. So system has assigned 600 and we have also entered 600 itself. So you can, then everything is like there is no difference at all. Look at here, there is no difference. Click on document and click on simulate and post it. So look at here, now 4002 document number got posted, and here the payment which we have posted worth of 600, right? This is your payment. And if you check the customer balance, so now all the open item gone. Open item means invoice we have posted and credit memo we have posted, both are there in open item because 600 still we are supposed to, 600 is still your receivable, right? But right now what is happening, the payment is posted, so that this open item got cleared. So there is no open item here. You need to click on all item or else cleared item anywhere. In that case, what will happen? Look at here now. This is cleared, and so now here what is happening, guys? Look at here. Okay, document number, the layout somebody has changed. Actually, if you click on here, check here, and the layout I'm going to keep a different. Let me check it. Any changes? No, not this one. This is like, change it here if somebody has created, or else one SAP I'm going to use standard itself. No, it's better to use this one itself and click on save layout, or else like here in system you can, sorry, click on layout here and administrations and keep the standard itself. One SAP is the standard given by SAP. Select this one and save it. We can use this one, or else if you want to create your own, you can create also. I think in previous lecture already I have shown you guys how to set up your what is a layout. So in the same way you can set up the layout as well. Now right now what is happening, so this is your invoice, this is your credit memo, and this is your payment. How I came to know? It's pretty simple. DR means DR document type is for invoices, DG document type is for credit memo, and DZ document type is for payment, right? These are the very popular and famous document type, guys. If you have some practice and all, automatically you guys will come to know these document types are there, going to be there at the tip of your tongue, so need not to be mug up like, okay, this document type is for invoice or payment, or this one like this. Once you make some practice and all, then automatically these document types will be there in your mind, so don't worry, right? Now here clearing document means, look at here, the clearing document 4002 is for all these three, so it means this invoice, credit memo and payment, all three are related, right? These all three are related. And look at here, so clearing document number is same for all three transactions. It means against this invoice we have posted a credit memo, and against this invoice plus credit memo we have posted the payment, right? So this is what. So now what is happening, guys? This is how you have to post payment. And if you have like multiple customer invoices, then how to make the payment for the multiple customer invoices. In account payable I have already explained, like for invoice. So this time what is happening, this time it is going to be a kind of assignment. You can post 4-5 invoices and try to post payment against one invoice or two invoice, and you see how it is going to happen. The way I have explained in account payable, in the same way you have to do it here also. Exactly, there is no any differences at all. Okay, So that's all. This is how the transactions are going to be posted here in account receivable, guys. Still, I have to explain some more things, but again, that is going to be explained in next session. And in next session, first of all, I'll have to explain this, how to set up this, how to reset this decimal places and all after decimal, like how many zeros supposed to be there. So that I'll let you know where this very small setting is there, that I'll let you know in next session. So that's all in this session, guys.